Okay, so I am getting started early. Unfortunately, I don't know if I'll be doing any tutorials. Today is like my only day off because I'm actually working Thanksgiving and I'm actually working tomorrow. So I do have some tutorials, pretty much same old, so you can check out my videos. I just finished prepping my turkey, and that's pretty much as far as I have gotten. Again, I won't be I will not be uploading videos on Thanksgiving because I gotta do 12 hours, 7 to 7, and I have to do the same thing tomorrow. So I at least want to have all the food prepared so that I can at least eat, and have everything done before I go into work. But yeah, so far I just finished seasoning my turkey, and it's the exact same thing that I did last Thanksgiving. But I'll come on and let you guys see what I'm doing. But again, I don't know if I'm gonna be uploading any tutorials because I just have to get this done and over with. All right.